I want to show you the product AI assistant on Selldone. Let me add a product. I just need an image for adding a new product. As you can see, I didn't enter any any information like product name. So waiting. Okay. As you can see, the background of the image removed, and also a title and even the description automatically generated by AI. Let me set up some price and save it and show you the product admin page. Uh, Here we can see the product description, an article and title. Let me show you the image. And also I want to show you the product page in the storefront. As you can see, the image, title, product description, pickup locations, and I can add it to my cart. That's it, it's ready to sell.